Okay, our second part of the 2B notes is going to be going over the surface area of a triangular prism. A triangular prism is a prism where the bases are triangles, where the first lesson there was on a rectangle for the bases. So you can see it's kind of a confusing formula, but they have identified each part. So if you're very methodical and go through the steps, each of these is easy. So this is what I'm looking for. P is just what it sounds like. It's going to be the perimeter. H is the height of the prism, basically. How far is it between the bases? And a capital B is going to stand for the area of the base. And all the areas for this is going to be a triangle. So here are the steps that you should go through. First, find the area of the base. So when I do each of these steps individually, it's a little bit easier to fill in the formula at the end. So here's my area of my base. I get 96. Okay, keep that in mind. Second thing I need to do is I need to find the perimeter of the base. So you can see over here, I've got my triangle. The area is going to be base and height, which is where I got this. The perimeter is adding the three sides of the triangle. So we can see we have 16 and 12, and then this side isn't shown up front here, but we can get it from the back. That's going to be 20. So when I go here to find the perimeter of that triangle, I'm adding those three sides to get my perimeter. Third, you should identify the height. Okay, the height of the prism is a little different than the height of the triangle. So when we found the area here, we use the height of the triangle as either 12 or 16. The H in the formula is referring to the distance between the two bases, between the two triangles. So in this problem, the height is going to be 10. Okay, and next we're going to put them in the formula. So just in summary, this is what I have. Again, if you kind of keep organized, it really makes a difference on how easy or difficult it could be. So those are the values I'm going to plug in. Okay, I'll just roll this all down here, and you can see there's the formula. I plugged in P is 48. The height, this H is how far is it or how tall is it? That's a 10. The 2 is because I have two bases, one on each end, and then the area of the base. You get that together, 672 square centimeters. That is the area of all 5 of those sides. Okay, stop the recording and do the second one. Okay, we're going to go through the same steps for the second one. We can see we have a triangular prism. The base is a triangle. It's a right triangle of 5 and 12. So let's go. First thing we're going to do is find the area of that base. In this case, the area of the triangle, 5 times 12 divided by 2. Step 2, we want to find the perimeter of the base. Okay, again, we're going to add all three sides. The 13 can come right across here. If we didn't have this, we could use Pythagorean theorem to help us find that. Identify the height, which is going to be 4 in this problem. So we've got these values. We're going to take those and we're going to plug them in. So here we go. There's my formula. Let me just pull this down. You can see plugging in the P was the perimeter. The H was the 4, which is how far it is between the two triangles. And the capital B stands for the area of the base, which is 30. Work those all out, you get 180 square inches. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know.